Hello everyone. In this video we will see how to configure the exam type and exam room using OpenEducate. The basic reason behind allowing to configure the exam type is that there can be different type of exams that can be taken in different institute. It can be sessional or mid-sessional final. The names of exams can be different, so better we can configure it so that it can be easier while taking the exams. And the second is the exam room. Generally the exams are taken in some classrooms only, but then it is useful to configure the exam rooms for different courses and the students so that it can be easier to manage these details while taking the exams. So let's see how we can do it. First of all, we'll log in our system. Let's go to the configuration. Under the exam management, we have two menus: exam type and exam room. Let's first of all see exam type. I have created one exam type. There are only two fields, the name and the code. The name of exam type I have kept as sessional and the code is SESS. The maximum length of exam type code cannot be greater than 4 characters. Alright, so this is how we can create the exam type. Let's see how we can create the exam room. The name of exam room, that a particular classroom of the institute can be considered as exam room while taking the exams. So you'll be giving a name to that particular classroom when you are considering that room as exam room. Second is the classroom that you can select from the list over here. These are basically the classrooms that you have previously created. Then you can set the number of students that can be seated in that particular exam room. The courses that you have selected over here can only use these exam rooms for taking their exams. One particular course can have multiple standards, so you can select those standards from this list. For example, let's say that this particular course have 3 standards, but this exam room can be used by only one standard. So in this kind of situation you can set those standards precisely over here. Again, it may happen that out of total 30 students in a particular classroom who are studying in particular standard, this exam room can be used for only 15 students, so you can select those particular students from the list over here. So this is how you can configure the exam room in OpenEducate. Thank you so much for watching.